Let's help connect your BuzzTV device and BT400 to your TV. This method is supported by most newer and popular brands. We call this TV Source Pair. TV Source Pair will provide the ability to control the TV power on and off, TV volume, and on some TVs, the TV source input from the BT400. First, open the BuzzTV Smart Remote app. At the top, you'll notice it says Remote. It must be connected in order to use the Auto TV setup. If it says Disconnected or Connecting, check your Bluetooth settings to ensure the remote is actually paired, or reboot the box. This should fix either issue. Once your remote says Connected, run the Auto TV setup. This will take you to a new screen that will identify your TV. Follow the simple on-screen instructions in order to pair your remote to your TV. If the Auto TV setup is unsuccessful, please consult the BT400 manual source pair video in the description. When completed, go back to the main page of the Smart Remote app. Now let's set your HDMI CEC settings so that your device turns off with the BT400 remote. In the Smart Remote app, select HDMI CEC settings. Then toggle HDMI CEC switch to on and the virtual CEC switch to off. If after confirming the settings are correct and the TV is not turning off, it may mean your TV is older or does not have the latest CEC levels. Try reversing the settings as follows. In the Smart Remote app, select HDMI CEC settings. Toggle the HDMI CEC switch to off. Then virtual CEC switch to on. If the Auto TV setup is still unsuccessful, please consult the BT400 manual source pair video in description. Next, ensure Force Max Volume is toggled to on. This is found under Max Volume settings. You are now TV source paired. Once you have successfully paired the BT400 to the TV, simply turn on or off the TV using the power button on the BT400. Your BuzzTV device will also turn on and off with your TV. You will also be able to control the TV volume and on some TVs the input source. For more information on your BT400, check the manual by scanning the QR code on the back of your remote. Thanks for watching.